Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. Today we're gonna fix an error. The drive where Windows is installed is locked. Unlock the drive and try again. The very first thing that we are going to do is to open your settings menu. In settings menu, choose update and security. In update and security, click on the Windows update button. In Windows update, click on download and install to make sure that your Windows is up to date. Sometimes this simple process resolves your error. If this doesn't work out, we are going to proceed with the advanced option. Now in advanced options, click on the start menu and again click on turn off button. Now press and hold the shift key and then click on the restart button to restart your system in the troubleshoot mode. Now once the system restarted troubleshoot mode, click on the troubleshoot button. Here click on advanced options and from here choose CMD. Now in this step we are going to rebuild your BCD. Type here few commands one by one. First one is bootrec / fix mbr and hit the enter button. Now second command is bootrec / fix boot and hit the enter button. If the above command shows you the error, type first boot chkdsk / NT52 C drive and then hit the enter button. Now again type the above command bootrec / fix boot and then hit the enter button. This time the operation is completed. Now third command is bootrec / scan OS and then hit the enter button. The command will take some time, so just be patient and let this command completed. Now here it is showing the total identified Windows installation is 0. If at your end it is showing 1, then in the next step you need to type A and then hit the enter button. Now the last command is bootrec / rebuild BCD and then hit the enter button. Now the operation is completed successfully. Now type the exit and hit the enter button. Now go ahead and choose the option exit and continue to Windows 10 and check if the problem is persist or not. If still the problem persists, we are going to proceed to the next step. In next step again choose the troubleshoot option, advanced options and here comes CMD command prompt. Now in this step we are going to make your disk active. So type here disk part, list disk. Now here select your disk. Select disk. At my end the disk is disk 0. So I'll select disk 0 and then hit the enter button. Now once the disk is selected, now type list partition. Now the partition is shown. Now choose the partition of your C drive. At my end I have only one partition, so I'll go ahead and type select partition 1. At your end you may find 2 or 3 partition. Choose only the partition 1 because by default the partition 1 is of the C drive. Now hit the enter button. Once the partition is selected, type active and hit the enter button. Now the disk part has made the current drive active. Now again type exit and again exit to close the command prompt. And now this time again choose the first option exit and continue to Windows 10. Now again check if the problem is resolved or not. If still the problem persists, again choose the same options. In CMD type here the command chkdsk C drive /fix /x /r and then hit the enter button. This command will take some time, so just be patient and let the command works in the background for you. Now once this command is completed, type here another command sfc space slash scan now and again hit the enter button. Again this command will take up to 15 minutes, so just be patient and let this command works in the background. After that, go ahead and restart your system and again check if the problem is persist or not. As of now, these are the 4 possible ways to fix your problem of the drive where Windows is installed is low. If you still face the problem, kindly comment below so that I can try to find the more ways for the resolution. That's it about it, friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and hit the like button of this video. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much for watching.